Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best THC Test Kit is probably one of the most important tools for cannabis consumers, allowing for accurate measurement of THC content in your products, ensuring both safety and efficacy, empowering you to make informed decisions about your consumption and helping you to better understand and manage your desired effects and dosage, ultimately enhancing your overall cannabis experience and potentially avoiding unpleasant surprises from mislabeled or inconsistently potent products. Number 5. Easy at-home THC Urine Test. It's easy to monitor your THC levels at home. Regular testing provides a simple and affordable way to see your progress. This test is reliable and meets all regulations. It detects THC metabolites for up to 5 days after use. Test yourself privately and as often as needed. It's perfect for monitoring your detox or preparing for screenings. Simply dip it in your urine for 10 seconds. Clear results appear instantly with bold lines indicating positive or negative. 2 lines mean a negative result, 1 line means positive. Remember, it's designed for human urine only. What we like. It's an affordable way to track your THC detox progress. The simple process gives you quick results. If you're on a budget and need frequent testing, this is the kit for you. What people say. What I like the most: wow, it's accurate, it's quick, it's easy to use, very useful, family too, just an excellent product. I used 1 strip on my fiancé who smokes several joints every day, and as you can see his result was an undeniable positive. Easy to follow instructions and easy to use. Fast results. Number 4. Exploro THC Drug Test Kit. This kit detects THC metabolites in urine for up to 35 days after use. It's highly sensitive and works with various THC products. Get results in just 5 minutes. The clear test lines make it simple to read your results. Each test strip is individually sealed for convenience. Use it regularly to track your progress and understand your THC levels. It helps you stay informed throughout the process. This kit meets all applicable regulations and is cleared for over-the-counter use. It uses the same detection method as professional lab tests. We're confident in its performance. If you're not satisfied, we offer a full refund. Try it today and see the difference. This kit comes with 25 individually sealed test strips, providing multiple opportunities for accurate and reliable results. It's easy to use and interpret. What we like. This kit boasts superior sensitivity and detects THC for an extended period. It provides reliable results you can trust. If you need the most accurate and comprehensive testing, this is your best choice. What people say. The functionality is amazing, it's simple to use, and the instructions are so clear that anyone can follow them. The test accuracy is consistently spot on. The instructions were easy enough to follow, even if you've never done a test like this before. Basically, you just dip the strip into a urine sample, wait about 5 minutes, and then the results show clearly on the strip. The test seems sensitive enough at the 50 ml level, so it's suitable for most basic home testing needs. The accuracy. Spot on, every single time, and it's super reliable, no room for doubt. The instructions are clear and straight to the point, which made the whole process quick and easy. The kit feels well put together, and the packaging keeps everything secure and ready to go. Number 3. Exploro THC Drug Test Kit. This kit detects THC metabolites in urine for up to 35 days after use. It's accurate and reliable, giving you peace of mind. Get results in just 5 minutes. The clear lines make it simple to read. Each test strip is individually sealed for convenience. Use it regularly to track your progress towards a THC-free state. It helps you understand your body's process. It meets all applicable regulations. It's cleared for over-the-counter use and is CLIA waived, just like lab tests. We're confident in its performance. If you're not satisfied, we offer a full refund. We stand by our product's quality. This kit provides 15 individually sealed test strips, giving you multiple opportunities to monitor your progress. What we like. It offers the same high sensitivity and extended detection window as its counterpart. You get reliable results at a potentially lower cost. If you value accuracy and a longer detection window but want a more economical option, choose this one. What people say. The functionality is amazing, it's simple to use, and the instructions are so clear that anyone can follow them. The test accuracy is consistently spot on. The instructions were easy enough to follow, even if you've never done a test like this before. Basically, you just dip the strip into a urine sample, wait about 5 minutes, and then the results show clearly on the strip. The test seems sensitive enough at the 50 ml level, so it's suitable for most basic home testing needs. The accuracy. Spot on, every single time, and it's super reliable, no room for doubt. The instructions are clear and straight to the point, which made the whole process quick and easy. The kit feels well put together, and the packaging keeps everything secure and ready to go. Number 2. Easy at-home multi-drug test. This urine test kit provides reliable results for detecting specific metabolites. It's highly accurate, giving you confidence in the outcome. It's designed for convenient home use. Simply dip the strip in urine and read the results within 5 minutes. Keep it in a cool, dry place. Avoid extreme temperatures or freezing, as this could affect accuracy. Dip the test strip into your urine sample for 10 seconds. Don't use anything other than urine. A positive result shows only the control line. A negative result shows both the control and test lines, even if faint. We're dedicated to providing the best home testing experience. Contact our US-based support team with any questions. What we like. This kit tests for both THC and nicotine, providing comprehensive results. It's simple to use and delivers accurate readings. If you need to test for multiple substances, this is the ideal choice. What people say. They were very easy to use. The results came back quickly. Accurate. It's been 4 weeks since THC, daily use, and 6 days since cigarettes, and I'm just starting to see faint lines when a week ago I wasn't seeing any lines at all. Easy to use and quick results. Number 1. tCheck 3 Potency Tester. Introducing the tCheck 3, a cutting-edge device that provides fast and accurate potency testing for your homemade infusions and edibles. It eliminates guesswork, ensuring you know the exact strength of your creations. Get lab-quality results without the lab costs. This tester is a cost-effective alternative to expensive HPLC machines, delivering precise potency readings wherever you are. Perfect for creating consistent, precisely dosed edibles. It ensures accurate potency, making it easy to control the strength of your products. Simply add a few drops of your infusion, and get error-free results in just 2 minutes. It even stores your results in the cloud for easy tracking. It comes with a reusable tray made from a durable polymer, designed to withstand daily use. This ensures long-term reliable performance. Use the app-based recipe calculator to create flawlessly dosed products every time. It takes the guesswork out of making your infusions and edibles. What we like. It provides lab-quality results quickly and conveniently. The reusable tray makes it cost-effective in the long run. If precision and efficiency are your priorities, this is the perfect option for you. What people say. Super easy to use, especially with some basic science foundation. Just follow the instructions. I have found it to be accurate, but you must consider a few things. Accuracy depends on 2 things, clean sample tray, no bubbles in the sample. It's that simple. Comparing it to a lab result, it is very close. Lab said 15 mg ml, check said 14.8 mg milliliter. It's very accurate and the app to use it a breeze. So simple to use even a stoner can do it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.